How to send PDF file on Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, if you open up Instagram right here and if you navigate through a conversation, you can then go ahead and see that there is no option to send PDF files on the Instagram messaging section. Now, there's another trick to this. You want to open up the files on your device right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through a PDF file. You want to open it up, and right after opening up that specific file, the way to go ahead and send it to Instagram is by screenshotting that file. Now, right after opening up that PDF, you want to hit on the control center right here, click on device, and you want to click on more, then screenshot. Right after taking screenshot of your PDF file, just go ahead and navigate through your Instagram once more, click on the image icon, and inside we can then go ahead and send our PDF screenshot. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribe. Please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.